Alright, here's the entry of the house. Walk in on some hardwood. Stairwell up the right. Bonus room, 2 bedrooms up there. Walk in. Take a left on this pretty archway. Dining room, hardwood, wainscoting. Come back, follow down the hallway. Storage on the right. Kitchen on the left. I took all the appliances, obviously. Tile on the floor. Where the stove goes. Fridge. There's the dining room we were just in. Pantry. Back out to the hall. Living room. Obviously need some more paint. Different paint. Into sunroom. Or breakfast area. Wooded lot beside, or wooded area beside and behind us. 2 more archways. Some storage on the right. Master bedroom here. Bay window. Master bath. Double sink vanity. Closet. Garden tub. Shower. Huge master closet. Goes all the way to the right. All the way to the left. Toilet. Back to the double vanity. Back to the master bedroom. Back through the arches. Half bath behind that door. Laundry area behind the left side. Denny and Pandy out here talking about the garage door motor that got stolen right here. Garage.